Hello viewers, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are gonna be making a simple and quick egg bhurji. At times when the food at hand is boring, I tend to make this recipe which needs very few ingredients and gets done in no time. At the same time, it's delicious. So let's begin. We will need half onion chopped fine, 1 medium to large tomato chopped fine, 2 eggs, quarter to half teaspoon chili powder, salt to taste, and oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. To begin, heat oil in a pan and add the onions. Saute the onions until translucent. Now add the tomatoes and cook until mushy. Also add in the salt. Add the chili powder and saute for a few seconds more. You can increase or decrease the chili powder as per your taste or spice level. Meanwhile, crack the eggs in a bowl and whisk it lightly. When the tomatoes are well done, add in the eggs and whisk continuously. Keep the flame on moderate. After cooking the eggs for some time, you will notice that they get dry and grainy. That's when our dish is ready. You can serve it with rotis or toasted bread or use it as a side with the main meal. Hope you give this a try. Do let me know in the comments section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.